today our topic is Introduction to Integers, and the first part, that is part 1 of the video, is already uploaded in the channel. Please open the description box to find the link of the part 1 video. This is the part 2 of the video, and this video is specially for class 6 students. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the topic, which is Introduction to Integers part 2. So let us get familiar with the lesson outline. First topic is addition and subtraction of integers. In the part 1 video you have already known about what is integer and how to place them on number line. That knowledge will be very much beneficial to know how to do addition and subtraction of integers. Then we will know about addition of integers on number line and then subtraction of integers on number line. Then we will know about various properties of addition of integers. These are a very interesting topic and I think that you will like it very much. Now we will solve a simplification problem using many integers like 4 or 5 integers, and lastly we will solve some problems related to integers, some interesting problems. I hope that you will like them. Addition and subtraction of integers. So to know about the addition and subtraction of integers, we first have to take any two numbers, any two integers. Let us take two integers, both of which has positive values, like plus 5 plus 8. We are adding these two numbers, plus 5 plus 8. So you can understand the general rule that plus corresponding to plus becomes plus. Here plus is here and another plus is inside the bracket. So plus and plus will become plus. So 5 plus 8 equal to, what will be the answer? Plus 13. Now come to the second rule. Plus and minus, when they are sitting next to each other, then it becomes minus, such as plus 5 plus, I am taking a negative integer to explain it. So plus 5 plus minus 8, it will become plus 5. Plus and minus is standing next to each other, so plus and plus minus will become minus. So plus 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Now the fourth rule. Minus plus becomes minus. So I will take a number which is a negative integer like minus 5 minus plus 8. Okay, then minus 5 remains minus 5. Here minus and plus together comes together and become minus. So minus 5 minus 8, it becomes minus 13. Now the last one. When two minuses come together, they becomes plus. So this is a quite tricky one and most of the students fail to memorize it, that minus and two minuses becomes plus. So I will take another example like minus 5 minus 8. So here is one minus and here is one minus, so it will become plus. So it is minus 5 plus 8 equal to plus 3. So this is one process of addition and subtraction of integers. But there is another process. Why these are happening? So we will want to know why these are happening. For that we have to understand the next process, that is the number line process. Addition of integers on a number line. Let's take a number line. Let's place 0. Where is 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0. And this is plus 1. This is plus 2. This is plus 3. This is plus 4. This is plus 5. And we will put minus 1 here, minus 2 here, minus 3 here, minus 4 here, and minus 5 here. Now let's take two integers like minus 5, no, plus 5 and minus 2. So I have to add plus 5 with minus 2. So what is the rule? Rule is, if you want to add a positive integer, then you will move towards left. But if you want to add a negative integer, then you will move towards right. So what happens here? Here I have taken a negative integer. So I will start from the point that is plus 5 and move 2 steps towards left. So I am moving, this is one step, this is another step. So where I am coming? I am coming at plus 3. So this is the answer of the problem. Plus 5 plus minus 2 is equal to plus 3. Now take another example where we will add a positive integer. Here also I am putting 0 here, plus 1 here, plus 2 here, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 here. Now for subtraction I am taking, no, for addition, I am talking about addition. So for addition I am taking another two integers like minus 5 plus minus 2. Okay, plus 2, sorry, minus 5 plus 2. So for addition of positive integers, I am adding plus 2 with minus 5, so I am adding a positive integer. So we will move towards left. So this is minus 5. I am starting from here. I will go 2 steps towards right. Here I was moving towards left and here I am moving towards right. So the answer is minus 3. Okay. So minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. Now we'll know about subtraction of integers on a number line. Here we also will take a number line and put the numbers on the number line, like 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and here I will take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Now take two integers. I am taking minus 3 and I will subtract minus 3 plus 2 from minus 3. Okay. So to subtract positive integer, we have to move towards left. So here it is minus 3 and we have to move towards left. Move towards left for positive integers. Left for positive integers. Subtraction. So I have to go towards the left. So I am going here one step, then from here two step. So where I am reaching? I am reaching at minus 5. So minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Now I am taking another number line. Here I am putting the 0. Here, okay. So I am getting plus 1, plus 2. Why I am putting this here, you can understand after some time. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, and here plus 11. So let's check the two numbers, plus 5 and minus 6. I will subtract plus 5 minus 6 from plus 5. So what will be the answer? Here is the rule, move towards right for subtracting a negative integer. So here we are at plus 5 and we will move towards right. So I am moving 6 steps towards right. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step and 6 step. So what will be the answer? What I am getting here? I am getting plus 11. So plus 5 minus minus will become plus, plus 6 equal to plus 11. So from here you can see that memorizing this left and right rule is very much cumbersome for the people. So generally we don't follow this number line method anymore. We follow the general rules that I have told you earlier. Now we will see some properties for addition of integers. Okay, there are some properties, namely first one is closure property. What is closure property? Closure property says that if A and B are two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. So take any two uh, numbers, any two integers like plus 5 plus 3. We have to add them. So what will be the answer? Plus 8. Plus 8 is an integer. Take another number like minus 3 and plus 2. So we have to add them and we get minus 1, which is also an integer. This is the closure property of integer. Now I am removing this so that I can show you the other properties of integers. Okay. The next property name is commutative property. In case of commutative property, what happens? We take two integers. Here also we take two integers like a and b, and the commutative property tells what? A plus b, that is first integer plus second integer, will always be equal to b plus a, that is second integer uh, added to the first integer. So these two values will be same. So take any two integer like 4 and minus 3. So for left hand side, what we will see? We will see 4 plus minus 3 equal to what? 4 minus 3 plus minus becomes minus. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. And right hand side what happens? We will take minus 3 plus 4. So what will be the answer? Minus 3 plus and plus become plus. So plus 4 is equal to 1. So LHS equal to RHS. So this case is for all the integers. If you add two integers, you will get a number. You will always find that commutative property, they are obeying commutative property. Now there is the third property. We will know about the third property. Okay. Third property is known as associative law. Associative law means what? Here we will take not two but three integers. Let's take them as a plus b plus c. Then according to associative law, a plus b added first, then added with c will always be equal to a plus b plus c added first and then a is added, like a plus b plus c in bracket. So these two values will be always same. So for example, we are taking three integers like 2, minus 5 and 3. So for left hand side, what we will write? We will write 2 plus minus 5 bracket close plus 3. So what will be the answer? 2 plus minus will become minus 5 plus will become plus, so plus 3. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3 and plus 3 is plus 3. So 3 minus 3 plus 3, it becomes 0. Now come to the RHS, right hand side. Here we will take 2 plus within bracket minus 5 plus 3. We will add minus 5 and plus 3 together. Then we will add it with 2. So here what happens, 2 plus, here we have not told about minus 5, but we have told about minus 5 but not the plus sign here. So minus 5 will be minus 5 and plus 3 will be plus 3. So what happens, 2 plus minus 2. Okay, so it becomes 2 plus minus 2 equal to 0. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now I will erase this whole thing to tell you about this is third property. We have to take another property, that is the fourth property. Fourth property is what? Fourth property's name is additive identity. Fourth property's name is additive identity. Okay. So what they are saying? They are saying that there for every integer a there is another existence of an integer 0 such that a plus 0 equal to a and 0 plus a is also equal to a. So this is true for all the integers. Adding 0 to any integer makes it only the value of the integer, you get the value of the same integer, like minus 5 plus 0 equal to minus 5, and if you add minus 5 to 0, the answer will be what? The answer will be 0 minus 0 plus minus 5. So plus minus, it will be minus. So 0 minus 5. So answer will be minus 5. So for both the cases, the answer will be minus 5 only. So 0 is known as the additive inverse. Additive identity. Sorry. 0 is known as the additive identity. Now we have come to the last property, that is what I had misspelled there, that is additive inverse. Okay, so for additive inverse, what is additive inverse? Here we are saying that for every integer a there is a integer minus a such that a plus minus a is equal to 0. This is always correct. If you take a negative integer, that is minus a, there is an additive inverse. Inverse means what? Opposite. So minus a, there is an inverse plus a such that minus a plus a is always equal to 0. So for minus 5, what will be its additive inverse? Its additive inverse will be plus 5. And for plus 5, what will be its additive inverse? Its additive inverse will be minus 5. So here we conclude the properties of addition. Now we will come to the next page where I am telling you how to solve a simplification problem using 3 or more integers. So for that reason, let's take one problem like plus 12 plus minus 5 minus minus 2 plus minus 6. So here you have to first take out all these numbers from their respective brackets. So plus 12 will be 12, plus minus becomes minus, so it will be 12 minus 5, minus minus becomes plus, so it will be 2 plus 2, plus minus becomes minus, so it will be minus 6. Now what you will do? Now according to the simplification rule, you will take all the positive numbers together at one side and all the negative numbers together at other side. So what we will write? 12 plus 2 minus 5 minus 6. Now 12 plus 2 is 14 and minus 5 minus 6, these I will take minus common. If I take minus common, minus 5 will become, minus 5 will become plus 5. Oh, what is happening? Minus 5 will become plus 5 and minus 6 will become plus 6. So what will be the answer? 14 minus 5 plus 6 is 11. So this will be plus 3. So this is the answer. Let's take another problem. Problem 2. This is 1, this is 2. Here I will take minus minus 44 minus minus 23 plus 37 minus plus 42. So what will be the answer? How we will proceed? We will first take out all these numbers from the brackets. So what will be it? Minus 44 minus minus it becomes plus. So plus 23 plus 37 minus plus becomes minus. So minus 42. Now we will take the positive numbers together. So plus 23 plus 37 and negative numbers together minus 44 minus 42. Now we will add the positive integers only. So 23 plus 37 I get 60 and minus 44 minus 42 I take minus common, so 44 plus 44 plus 42. So what will be the answer? 60 minus 86. So the answer will be minus 26 answer. Okay, so this is the process of how to solve the problems containing 3 or more integers. You have to take the integers and make them come out of the bracket. Then you have to take the positive integers at one side and negative integers at other side and add them together respectively and then do the sum. So this is the process. Now we will solve some practical problems. Let's take the first problem. Okay. So what is the first problem? First problem is just like the other one. Here I will take, this is the question. So for the first step we will take out the numbers from the brackets. So it will be minus 25 plus 19, minus minus it will be plus 6, plus minus it will be minus 8. Now I will take the positive numbers together. So 19 plus 6 and negative numbers on the other side together. So 19 plus 6 it will be 25, minus will be minus, we will take minus common, and within bracket 25 plus 8, as I have taken minus common this will become plus. So it is 25 minus 33. So the answer will be minus 8. Or you can do like this, as this is a this method will, you can do this method also. For that what you will do, you will take from this step 25 minus 25 minus 8. So 25 minus 25 is 0, 0 minus 8 equal to 8, minus 8. Okay. So minus 8 is the answer for both cases. Now the next problem. This is a very kind of funny problem. You are on a treasure hunt. You start at minus 12 on the number line. You get the following clues. Move 8 steps to the right. Then move 6 steps to the left. Finally move 10 steps to the right. Where do you end up? Did you find the treasure if the treasure is at 0? So what we have to do? We have to take the numbers according to their position on the number line. But we will not draw any number line here. We will take the numbers according to the left position. If it is in the left, then it will be minus, and if it is in the right, then it will be plus. So what is the first number? It is minus 12. So I am writing minus 12. Then we move 8 steps towards right. So right movement means it is plus 8. Right side is always plus. Then move 6 steps towards left. So it will be minus 6. Left side is always minus. Finally move 10 steps to the right. So it will be plus 10. So after that we will solve this problem to get where I would or you would end up. So I will take the positive numbers together. Plus 8 plus 10 minus 6 minus 12. Here 8 plus 10 becomes 18, and if I take minus common, 6 plus 12 is what? 6 plus 12 is 18. So 18 minus 6 plus 12 is 18. So 18 equal to 0. So here what they are telling, Did you find the treasure? If the treasure is at 0, so treasure is at 0. So yes, we have, congratulations, you have found the treasure. You have found the treasure. Okay. Next we will solve the third problem. What is the third problem? It is the problem about temperature. Let's say, what they are saying, let's say in a game, every time you guess wrong, the temperature drops by 5 degrees centigrade. So if you guess wrong, what will happen? The temperature of the room will reduce by 5 degrees centigrade. If the temperature starts at 20 degrees centigrade and you make 7 wrong guesses, what is the final temperature? So we are starting with 20 degrees centigrade. Okay, and we are starting with 20 degrees centigrade and we are making, we are the drop we are getting 7, we are getting 7 wrong guesses. So minus 5 degrees centigrade into 7 will be the number of the temperature drop. So I will write like this. Eraser. 20 degrees centigrade plus minus 5 degrees centigrade into 7. So here, if you multiply one integer with another positive integer, then the value will be the always minus. Like minus 5 degrees centigrade into 7 will be minus 35. So it will be 20 degrees centigrade minus plus minus 35 degrees centigrade. So what will be the answer? 20 degrees centigrade plus minus, it will be minus 35 degrees centigrade. So what will be the answer? The answer will be minus 15 degrees centigrade. So you will become very much cold, very much cold. As you have given so many wrong guesses, you will become very much cold. Okay. Now we will solve some true or false game. Question number 1. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. So to solve this, we will take two integers like minus 3, which is negative, and another negative integers like minus 2, and we will add them. So what will be the answer? Minus 3 plus minus 2. So it will be minus 3 plus minus 2. So it will be minus 5. So you can take any integer like minus 7, minus 3. Here also what you will get? Minus 7 plus minus 3 is minus 7, minus 3 is minus 10. So in both cases you can see that the sum of two negative integers is always negative. So this is true. Next question. Let me erase the here. Here is the true portion. It is coming over the next question. So here I am writing true. Question number 2. Subtracting a negative integer is same as adding the absolute value of the integer. Let's take a integer 5 and let's subtract from it another integer which is negative, like minus 3. So what it becomes? It becomes 5 minus minus is always plus, so plus 3 equal to plus 8. This is the subtraction of a negative integer. So what is it is saying? It is saying that it is same as adding the absolute value of that integer. So we are taking minus 3 and finding the absolute value of the integer, that is plus 3, or not plus 3, it is 3 without any sign. So what will be the answer? 5 plus 3 equal to plus 8. So from here you can see that subtracting a negative integer is actually adding the absolute value of the integer with that number. So this is also true. Now we will come to the third question. I am erasing this portion so that you can see the third question. The difference between two integers is always an integer. Let's take two integers, 12 and minus 5. So what will be their difference? 12 minus minus 5. So this is 12 plus 5. So this is 17 plus 17. So this is an integer. So you can take any integer like 3 and minus 3. Here you add 3, you subtract 3 minus 3 from 3. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So you are always getting an integer value. So this is also true. So we are lucky. Every statement here are true. Okay. So here we conclude the chapter Introduction to Integers for class 6. If you like my video, please subscribe to watch more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.